So my parents-in-law moved in temporarily, and you know, they're switching houses, so a lot of this junk is gonna be in my garage now, so it's really hard to work on a BMW. So today I'm gonna work a little bit on my bike, which I will talk about a little bit more soon. Alright, so this is my 2008 Honda CBR600RR. I bought this bike from Copart, and we had a front end damage. I think the bike was rolled. It has scuffs all over it. This rear fairing was like twisted and tilted. So I need to take it off, try to straighten it out, and see what other damage the bike has right now. But basically everything up front is bad, and I'm gonna be replacing it. The rear wheel actually looks new, like the guy just put it on, but the front wheel is a little bit worn, which is not a problem. And I already got new plastic pieces for it on the steering wheel, and I got new speedometer. Other than that, there's no leaks, no coolant leaks, no oil leaks. All the wiring looks good. Some of the cluster wiring was a little bit messed up, but I'm just gonna repair it. I'm not gonna buy a new one. The bike did not start at first. It was the tilt switch was bad, so I just jumped it with a little wire right here. Bike starts right up. It sounds real good. Anyway, right now I'm gonna start taking stuff apart and trying to figure out what's all wrong with it, get it ready for the summer, because right now it's freezing outside. So perfect time to buy a bike, because they actually sell really cheap. I bought this bike for about $1,000 plus shipping plus fees, but so I was missing these bolts right here to bolt the cluster on, so I end up finding some random stuff in my little spare bolt drawer, and basically bolted on. It works. Now I'm gonna finish bolting the whole thing down and then try to turn it on, see how many miles the cluster actually has. Because when you go to register a bike, they're gonna put miles, whatever's in the cluster. Because when I bought it, miles were unknown. So basically I'm making my own miles. So the harness looks good. Besides this piece, it's either horn or turn signals. I believe this is the turn signal, so this might be horn, which is not a problem. So need your wires. I'm just gonna hot wire it in. And okay, so right now I'm gonna put it on and try to turn the cluster on. Alright, so the cluster works really good. It has 13,000 miles on the cluster. So now I'm gonna bolt everything back and finish the front end up. Anyway, this is going to be it for now, for today, because I need to order more parts. It seems like headlights fit right there, but then you gotta bolt it onto something, and I don't have it unless maybe it's a bracket or some kind of, or maybe it's bolts to the fairing, I don't know. So we need to order new fairings, new bottle, some parts for the handle, and basically wiring is okay, it's not damaged. So this is gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more bike progress and BMW progress. Thanks for watching.